Have you ever wondered why your AI still doesn't understand you? Despite collecting vast amounts of data, many organizations struggle to make AI truly intelligent. The answer is surprisingly simple. It's not just the data volume that matters, but the asterisk meaning asterisk behind it. In 2026, AI will advance not just by smarter models, but through asterisk context-rich data asterisk that carries intention. Traditional data architectures focus on reporting and analysis, but agentic AI needs a deeper understanding. Without context, even the best AI can misinterpret relationships and produce irrelevant outputs. This is where the transformation begins. Leading organizations are moving towards a new model of enterprise data, enriching it with metadata, ontologies, and real-time context. This shift creates asterisk living systems of meaning asterisk where data becomes an active participant in creating value. As AI capabilities become standard, differentiation relies on how well your organization structures its data. Proprietary, well-structured data teaches your AI about your business, allowing it to act with confidence. This semantic understanding leads to quicker decision-making and higher trust among stakeholders. But this approach isn't just technical, it's a leadership responsibility. Leaders must prioritize meaning over mere infrastructure and ensure alignment between data, governance, and AI teams. This alignment transforms data into a strategic asset and makes AI systems resilient. Data and AI leaders are now tasked with asterisk sense making at scale. This evolution means overseeing how meaning is encoded and preserved, and how insights lead to action. The focus is on building sustainable systems that foster consistent results. The Asterisk Data and AI Leadership Accelerator Asterisk emphasizes this journey with three key pillars. First, leaders must envision data as a semantic foundation for intelligent action. Next, context-rich, real-time data needs to be leveraged for consistent business impact. Lastly, leaders should build a reinforcing cycle of data, governance, and AI that compounds value. If you realize that your AI systems are capable but inconsistent, it's time to embrace this final threshold. To learn how to build asterisk agent-ready data foundations asterisk, consider booking a private conversation with us or exploring the Asterisk Data and AI Leadership Blueprint. The path to navigating the complexities of data and AI is clearer than ever. Together, we can make strides toward success in 2026 and beyond. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter in the link below for the latest insights delivered directly to you. Unlock your organization's potential with our tailored asterisk data science and AI leadership winning blueprint. Reach out for a complimentary orientation and start your journey towards excellence. Together, let's grow to our fullest in data science and AI.